Today's startup was goal number one. We're going to plant some corn. And unfortunately, when we back out of the shed, it was blowing 35-mile-an-hour winds. With today's weather, you know, it's tough. And now we stepped into this momentum, which I love the name, because it's momentum. We're moving forward. My name is Tony Hageman, and I'm from Newman Grove, Nebraska here. I'm the third generation farmer. My grandpa, my dad, and then myself. In 1971, my dad started Hageman Sunflower Sales and Service. So our goal was to help people, yes, sir, and still do our farming side of it too. The acres and crops that we have, corn and soybeans, full rotation. We do some cover crops on some of the sandier soils to preserve the soil with what we're running into trials and tribulations of weather today. Farming in Nebraska is a real challenge because we are 18% slope one way, 15 the other way. You know, it's not high grade soil, but it's kind of up to you as the farmer to get that seed placed right. You can be the guy that just does the same old thing every year, but if you want your farm to prosper, you're gonna have to step it up and try new things. And that actually starts with the planter, because that's the foundation of your farm. If you don't do it right from the start, it's a long haul. Momentum Planter has really stepped up the game because in my own choices, I looked at 5 other companies of planters. This Momentum gives you that chance, that toolbar to have its ride and float, and then it has the precision technology on it, so we can singulate our seed, we can check our down pressure, we can also make sure we've got a clean furrow in front of us. That's got the capacity to run a long day if you want to, if you're a one-man band like I am most of the time. You push the button and you plant corn. Tomorrow, if you want to plant beans, you just vacuum out the seed that you had in there, push the button, those rows come down, and you can plant beans. So it's a one-unit deal. So you can put the fertilizer in, put the seed in, and you can cover 40 acres an hour is not a problem. The one key feature on the Momentum Planter is called Load Logic. It's changing the tire pressure as we go through the field, so we don't create a pinch row like your competitor planters. They're trying to put a big tire on for flotation, but when you have so much air in that's going to put pressure on where that seed has to come up. So we're treading lightly because we got Load Logic on it. It's set automatic. You can do it manual too, but boy, automatic is so great. Data layering is a key component for the agronomic side. And I finally got into a piece of technology it'll tell me what my soil temperature is and what my organic matter is. And that's what I was hoping for this year, is to build the map. During harvest, this same monitor will go in the combine. When we get the yield results, then we compare the maps so we know how to fertilize for the next year and starting the process. There's a lot of things on the table that the planter, like I said, is the foundation of the farm. Get it right, then you're sailing good.